Hey, this is Matt, recording live from Dallas, Texas. This is GadgeTV, and I just wanted to show you guys this eMachine's keyboard here. It came with my computer a couple years ago. I don't game, I don't really need anything that new for a computer. And this keyboard, just a standard keyboard. And the thing I don't like about it is that it's so raised. You can see how thick that is. It's so raised off the ground, and that it's kind of uncomfortable to type with. My fingers are forced to go up and over the keyboard to type with it. And once I spilled some Gatorade on it, whoops, and it got all dirty, and there's a bunch of, look, you can't see it. I don't know if you can, but there's a bunch of dust in between the letters, and I really don't want to do that. And this is just not a good keyboard anymore. But luckily, I have this now. Just received it from Amazon, and let me see if I can get you a full shot of that. There we go. Made by Adesso. It is a waterproof, dirt and dust proof roll-up keyboard for the PS2 and the computer. And I just thought I'd unbox it for all you guys, because this is going to be so awesome, and it's flat. It's really flat. So here we go. The Adesso keyboard. Ooh, nice. Very, very nice. Oh my gosh, this is flat as flat on a keyboard. Oh my gosh, I love it. This is amazing. Okay, there she is. That's it. And let me take off the white part. Show you how to roll up. It can be. This is my keyboard now. This is it. And see, it has a little bar on the right side, right there. That's where it has all the caps lock and number lock and scroll lock on there. So let's install this. Sorry, I obviously can't show you going down there and installing it, but this is amazing. Anything else in this box? Nope. I already have my tower pulled out. And so yeah, this uses USB too, so it's not anything that significant. But okay, this might be the boring part. Okie dokie, this is goodbye keyboard. Goodbye. It's been good. So actually, it's not been very good. Look, can I roll this up? I don't think I can roll it up. Nope, apparently cannot roll up. So let's now install my new flexible keyboard right here. There it is. With the, oh man, this is cool. I now have a PS2 USB adapter. Oh my gosh, this is flat. Sorry, I'm just testing it out. This is awesome. Okay, so now let's hook this guy up to my computer. There is the USB, just standard USB. Let me get it through. Oh, it has sleep, wake, and power and stuff. This is awesome. Okie dokie. I hope I don't have to install anything to use it. This is a very nice keyboard, and I wouldn't want to install anything that would make it not very nice. To have to use it, but let's put this guy in right here. Yes, and that is the sound of keyboard. USB human interface device says. Let's try this out. Let's go to Word or Notepad. Here we go. I'm now in Word. Show you what this looks like. That's my keyboard. Oh man, this is awesomeness. It works so good. Oh, I'm gonna love this keyboard. This is awesome. And it only costed me $30. This is too cool. Yeah, I'm noticing you have to push it down a full stroke. Especially the shift key. It's just too cool. Full keyboard with the numbers and everything. Amazing. Okay, that is... I'm slightly curious as to why it has 2 space. Let's see how it works while it's rolled up. Oh, nice. It does completely work. Okie dokie then. That is... Oh, wait, where's caps lock? There it is. That is the unboxing for the Adesso flexible full-size keyboard. $30 at Amazon. I got it shipped here. I ordered it yesterday, and I got it shipped here as fast as I could. So I want to try this out real bad. So yeah, $30 on Amazon. You'll get it by Adesso. Very awesome, as I can see so far. So yep, this has been GadgeTV. February 15th, 2008 at 4:02 p.m. See you guys later.